The Samsung Galaxy Tab S3 is an elegantly designed tablet that comes with a capable stylus. It has a stunning AMOLED screen, fingerprint sensor for extra security and satisfyingly loud quad speakers. It's also the first HDR-ready tablet. It's a stylish, all-glass tablet with an impressively crisp and vibrant screen and 4 speakers, making it an excellent portable movie theater. It's also the first HDR-ready tablet, although there are a few asterisks to that bullet point. HDR stands for High Dynamic Range, which means a spectacular, noticeable difference in contrast and color range in comparison to regular HD. The Galaxy Tab S3 shines best when watching video. HD content looks razor-sharp, colorful and bright. The excellent picture quality is complemented by 4 speakers, featuring AKG by Harman Kardon's expert tuning. With 1 speaker at each corner, they sound satisfyingly loud and clear, though it's best to avoid cranking it to max volume as the audio tends to sound tinny when pushed to its limit. The Galaxy Tab S3 proudly claims the title of the first, and as of now, only, HDR-ready tablet. This means it's capable of playing HDR content, which is like HD content but on steroids. HDR video has increased range of color and enhanced contrast between highlights and shadows, resulting in sensationally vivid picture quality.